I'm Jamie Tracy. We had a van for about a year and 3 months. We got March of last year. So this is living quarters. It's also a mobile office. So when we're traveling, she can work back here, I can work back here. If you go to bike races, sometimes you got to print out event flyers, cue sheets. You have a printer, workstation, refrigerator, spare paperwork, paper. It's basically a mobile office. And then the TV drops down, so you can use that as another computer screen if you want. That'll swing down for her. And then we put a little shelf on the top just to tuck away some of our linens, towels, stuff we don't use all the time, but you need it at the last minute, grab it. And then of course our bed, but right now it's transport. We're going to a race, so we got all of our gear tucked up there for the bike race. And then because of dietary needs, gluten-free, and not a lot of availability of certain foods, we want to put a microwave in our unit, so that the refrigerator we can put pre-made gluten meals in, and then have a cabinet secure it so it doesn't go flying, and put our silverware, linens, paper towels on the side, and we can make meals going down the road. We don't have to worry about stopping and find that certain restaurant, taking up valuable time on the road. And that's the benefit of having that reefer on board. A lot of these places make them small pre-made meals, and they can be about, between her and I, about 6 meals each, and have plenty of food for a couple days on the road. So that's pretty much up here. Of course, you always gotta have the shag carpet, which is a shower rug because of moisture.
Okay.
So back here we put a bracket for a ladder, so if we want to, we can get on the roof. Or on the driver's side, we have a manual camping, and then spare wheels up here. Of course, our shelves, you can use them for storage. Put Tupperware bins in there. Everything is broken down as far as each box has its own collar, reason why it's a certain collar, certain quick parts, major parts. And then the bikes, all 3 of them, we can get 4 bikes in here. Another one can be up there without the wheels. And then tool bin over here, quick tools. So if I need to do a quick repair, I can quickly get to my tools and do what I need to do to get her bike on the road. And I have inside a larger toolbox that if I have to do major work. So you'll see this curtain up here, it's a shower curtain. It's hooked by some wire, some cable. And it folds down, so if it's misty or raining, you can fold it down a little bit, tuck it underneath your mattress, and protect your mattress and keep some of the moisture out. It's microbial, antibacterial, so you don't have to worry about your mattress getting wet and getting a little mold on it. So that's why we have the shower curtain up there. And that's basically the rear TV right here. So that TV swings out when the bikes are in there. And so she can set up a trainer. We put a little fan up using the power off the van, plug in the computer into, and she does with a remote Swift, which is a virtual training ride, and be out in the fresh air. I mean, I look at this, I have 4 ways to connect something to. So that's how I connected all my stuff. So the benefit is it's utilitarian, meaning 1 week you can be a kayaker and have certain things that way they hook up, way they fasten. Next week you can do mountain biking. Again, whole different, maybe a little different modification setup, prefab, pop it in, you're all set to go. You don't have to constantly change and how am I going to haul this stuff. You can have everything you want to do from every type of event. Kayaking, mountain biking, motocross, you name it. You can have it pre-established. 1 week you're doing one thing, next week you're doing the other. You're not locked into, all right, this is what I need it just for mountain biking and not be able to use it for anything else.